Another bit of 3D printing going on. Good morning, guys. In one of my videos I was complaining that every time I printed this spring it'd have a seam down here which was caused by the start point of the motion of the print. So several people pointed me at a video that showed me how to edit the settings to randomize that start point so it didn't form a seam. So that's what I've done. So we shouldn't have a visible seam. There's a bit of a common point there. But certainly not a seam like I was getting. So we'll stick this one in the car and see how quickly it breaks. So, I suppose the first question is, can I remember how to get this apart and get this in? Need to just trim that first. Okay. So there's no seam on that one, or at least no, not like there was on that one that's broken. Okay, that comes out. I've got to push that one out as well. That one goes in there. Oh, that's a bit of a tight fit. Got to clean it a bit. That's better. Okay, that was through there. I've forgotten the order. I'm pretty sure it's like that. Yeah, that's right. And then that extra little washer that I'd added. Spacer, washer. Go on in. Okay, that's in place. And that one goes onto there, but before that goes on there, we got to push that on. Have I done this all the wrong way around? I think I have. Yeah, those are the other way round. Oh, it's only, I don't know, well, maybe it's months. Seems like only a few days, because I do my videos so far in advance. This video has just been published, but I think I probably did it a month ago. This video, the video that I'm doing this reprint in response to. Now that can't be right. Nope, I got to have had that right the first time. Why is it so difficult? it's got to be that way because it's got to line up with that gear. So on there. I could always go and look at the original video, couldn't I? Getting it all out of sequence now. Well, at least you can see I'm doing it live rather than carefully prepared. Right, so that's got to be like that. Got to be that way around. So that one's got to be there. That's where I was getting confused. So through the spring, through there. And then that one's going to go on there. Yeah. And I did another little spacer to go on there. Right. Now we're cooking. What's missing now? Something's missing. Oh, I haven't got it pushed fully home. I put the spring on upside down. Haven't I? Is that what's happening? Yeah, put the spring on upside down. I've got to take it all off again. Oh, come on, Grandad. Am I right or am I wrong? Oh, I'm getting all confused. I'm sure that's the right way. That winds up that way. Just put this on slowly and try and work this out. It goes on there. Right. Trying to rush it, just making a mess of it. Oh, come on. That's definitely the wrong way. No, it isn't. It's the right way. Okay, now we want that little washer on there. What was that? 9 minutes just to replace the spring, because I couldn't remember how to do it. So is that going to work when we put it on the floor? Let's have a look. Wow, that was still going with power at the end, wasn't it? So that spring works. What's the chances of getting it all the way back through there and missing my Crocs? Brilliant. So, what have we done different this time? We printed the spring with a setting to randomize the seam. That is the position where the filament changes direction. I think it's the best way I can put it. Or where it starts printing on each movement. On the original version, every time I printed it, you ended up with a seam which was a weak point. Whereas that, well, that worked. Brilliant. Excellent. And thank you to all those guys who sent me a link to how to set up your slicer, your Cura slicer. Brilliant. Success. I'm so happy. Oh, brilliant. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.